McDonald's is one of the most recognisable brands in the world today. In New Zealand alone, there are more than 160 restaurants that employ over 10,000 people. 80% of those restaurants are a franchise. A franchise McDonald's restaurant is one where the business is owned and operated by an individual, known as the franchisee, with the support of McDonald's head office. George will be getting hands-on experience to see what's involved in running a McDonald's restaurant and discover the steps it takes to having his own Golden Arches franchise. He's at McDonald's head office to meet Kim Smith.
Hi George, Kim Smith, great to meet you.
You too.
So I hear you're really interested in becoming a franchisee?
Yep.
Great, we've got a fantastic day lined up for you, so do you want to come with me?
Yep. Kim introduces George to Director of Operations, Katrina Felton.
This is George.
Hi.
George, how are you?
Good, thank you. So, here I am. Where to now? Where do I begin to become a franchisee?
I suppose once basically we've received a application and you walk through that application process and get the green light to become a franchisee, the training process has a couple of different facets. So it's around about 9 to 12 months depending on the capability of yourself as the individual and how much you really get hold of your training.
Ultimately, when we take something to the market, we ask our franchisees to invest. They want to be sure that they're going to get a return and it's actually healthy for their business because they know, as we do, a sustainable business is what we all want, a successful, sustainable business.
In Wellington, George is meeting up with Chris Boone. He was 17 when he started his career with McDonald's, working his way up from a crew member to now owning 4 McDonald's restaurants with over 260 staff.
It's really great every day that I come into my restaurant and I'm working daily with them on the floor, one-on-one. Not only working with them, but mentoring them, coaching them and helping them through.
To be considered for a McDonald's franchise, you need to be able to make a significant financial contribution and commit to a 9 to 12-month unpaid training program. You must also have had a successful business or career and be willing to relocate anywhere in New Zealand. There are no specific qualifications, but commitment and hard work is a must.